Chapter number 9, Bon Appetit. We are going to start up the new topic, that is article partitive and article défini. Basically, what is article partitive? Is they are formed in the same manner as the contracted articles with preposition the. The partitive article are always used to denote quantity. And what type of quantity they are used to denote? Unknown quantity. These articles are always used with eatables, the food items. And in English, if I translate, it means some. It means some. Okay, if I add the plus article défini, that is le. The plus le becomes du, and it is used with masculine. The plus la becomes the la, and it is used with feminine. The plus le equals to they, and it is used with plural. Last is the plus L apostrophe becomes de L apostrophe, and it is used with vowel. Okay. Now, if I talk about article défini, it's le used with masculine. Then is la used with feminine. Le used with plural, and L apostrophe used with vowel. Okay. Now, what is the difference between these two? If I talk about article partitive, they are used for the eatable items, and they are denoted as some. They are denoted as some. When I'm talking about some of the thing, and the quantity is unknown. Unknown quantity, or you can say imprecise quantity. Let's say you are eating rice. Whenever you eat rice, are you counting that I have eaten 50 grams, I have eaten 100 grams, or I have boiled 200 grams of rice? No. If you are eating salad, it's a plate of salad. Can you identify that if you are eating carrot, radish, beetroot, and if you are eating tomato, so are you just counting that 50 grams of carrot, and it is, you can say 50 grams of radish, 100 grams of beetroot? No. So means these things, these types of things are imprecise. The quantity is unknown. Such of the things, which such of the eatable items, we are going to use article partitive. Okay. Now, if I talk about the article défini, it means definite articles are basically used to denote precise quantity, and there are few verbs with which we use article défini. Okay, what type of verbs are they? Aimer, one is détester, one is adorer, and one is, the last is préférer. Okay, aimer is to love, détester is to hate, and adorer is to again love. Aimer is to like, and adorer is to love. Then préférer is to prefer. Okay, so whenever these kinds of verbs are coming in the sentence, then you are going to use article défini. We talk about this article when we are talking about something as a whole. Okay, something as a whole. Now I'm giving you one example. for this article partitive. Here I am writing je mange dash riz. I eat rice. So my answer will be je mange du riz because rice is masculine. Je mange du riz. And I am talking about here I am talking about je aime dash riz. I love rice. Specifically, we are denoting what we love. We love rice. Precise hai? It is sure that we love rice. So here I am going to place le love. So just see the difference. What is the difference? Je aime le riz, je mange du riz. If I am eating it, I'm not just counting the number of grams I'm eating. And if I love this, I love rice, you can see I've already told that few verbs comes like aimer, détester, adorer, préférer. उनके साथ हम article défini use करते हैं. Clear? Now I'm giving you one example in which you have to fill both these articles together. Okay. Say dash bonbon. Je mange dash bonbon. It's dash toffee. I eat dash toffee. So your answer will be say le bonbon and je mange du bonbon. Okay. If you have a packet of toffee, उसमें बहुत सारी toffees आती हैं, jellies हैं. If you are eating that, so whenever you are eating, you are not counting the number of toffees you are eating. You are now not counting the number of the quantity of cake. You are not counting the quantity of your rice. So where the quantity is known, that is your article défini. Where the quantity is unknown, that is your article partitive. That is your imprecise quantity, and your article défini are precise quantity. I hope it is clear. Now let us proceed further with the back exercise question number 1 and 2. Please take it out. Question number 1 says that you have to fill it with article partitive. If you have to fill with article partitive, that is okay. ठीक है, आपको उसमें कुछ करना नहीं है, ऊपर denoted है. But whenever you are going to fill that together, then you have to keep in mind where to use which one. Okay. Okay, now let us start. Question number 1 for the back exercise says, Le matin Patrice mange dash pain. Patrice mange du pain. Pain is bread. Please write down. I'm writing in the bracket also. Then you can see to it. Patrice mange du pain. Pain is bread. Avec dash. Avec de la confiture. And confiture is your jam. Du avec du beurre. Okay, beurre is your butter. Butter is masculine. So whatever is masculine, you have to place du. Whatever is feminine, the, la, de, and the el apostrophe accordingly. Il prend dash lait. Lait is milk. Milk is masculine. Du lait. Lait is milk. Please write down along with it that what does this mean. A dash cafe. Now coffee again is your masculine. It will be du cafe, that is coffee. Next is café froid. Quelquefois il mange dash biscuit. Now you can see S is placed with the biscuit. Biscuit is only the biscuit. S is placed, so means it is plural. Who dash? Who de la baguette. Baguette is a kind of bread only which is found in France. Next, il ne mange pas dash of. Okay, now one more thing I would like to tell you. You just write here D apostrophe. Then after this topic, I'm going to tell you the reason. Because of S also, we have placed here D apostrophe. What was the reason? What is the reason? I'll tell you later. Just write D apostrophe. Ups means eggs. Je ne mange pas ups a dash tartine. A, again you are going to place here the tartine. Tartine is toast. Now, the thing which I want to tell you is that whenever we are going to do the negation in these partitive article, if the sentence is given and there is a yun or they in the sentence, okay? A yun or they, or you can say that if the sentence is in negative, so these articles do, the, la and they changes to de. अगर हम नेगेटिव करते हैं और ये जो आर्टिकल हैं हमारे डू, दला और दे, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दीज 3 आर्टिकल्स. If we are talking about these 3 articles, then this due, dala, they will change to de. And if the next word is starting with the vowel, then it will be changed to D apostrophe. Clear everyone? अगर सेंटेंस जो है नेगेटिव में है, न और पा लगा है, तो आपको डी लगाना है इंस्टेड ऑफ ड्यू, दला, दे. आपको ये नहीं लगाना है. और अगर नेक्स्ट वर्ड आपका वोवेल से स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो वी विल प्लेस डी अपॉस्ट्रोफ. सो अफ्स में मैंने यहाँ डी अपॉस्ट्रोफ इसीलिए लगाया. दो इट वाज प्लूरल बट द क्वेश्चन वाज नेगेटिव, तो हमने इसमें डी अपॉस्ट्रोफ लगाया. सिमिलरली दिस वन कंप्लीट सेंटेंस इज देयर. इल न mange pas the of a the tartine. Okay everyone, now the B part. Le soir, Helen prend dash fromage. Fromage is cheese and it is masculine. Et elle boit dash juice d'orange. Juice d'orange is orange juice. Again, it is masculine. Elle ne prend pas des fruits. अब यहाँ पर न prend pas है. Again, it will be the fruit. Fruits are the fruits only. And sa mère mange dash frite. Sa mère mange des frites. Frites are the fries. And elle boit dash the aussi, and she drink dash tea also. Tea is again masculine, so I have placed D. Clear everyone? Is there any doubt in any of the sentence, any of the part? I have written the things which are given just after the blank. What is their meaning? So please, you have to write down above those words also. Yeah? Next, question number 3 we are going to do. Question 3 में हमें fill करना है article definite. So accordingly, if it will be masculine, we're going to place LE, feminine LA, plural LES, and vowel L apostrophe. So first part, A part is je mange la viande. Viande is your meat. May, je detest, but I don't like. Poulet, that is chicken. Je detest le poulet. Poulet is chicken and it is also masculine. B part. Sophie prefer dash cafe. Le cafe, coffee is your masculine. And काफे शोध में Patricia prefer le café froid. That was काफे शोध was hot coffee. And this café froid is cold coffee. First, you have to keep in mind that whatever things we are talking about, are they masculine, are they feminine, vowel or plural? Accordingly, you are going to place the articles. C part is M dash fromage, le fromage, because fromage means cheese and it is masculine. And next is name part dash baguette. यहाँ पर हम नहीं change करेंगे. If there is article definite we are placing, तो हम उसको DE या किसी और चीज में place नहीं करेंगे. That is only with partitive article जो हम change करते हैं DE में, not with article definite. So M la baguette. Baguette is a kind of French bread, French toast. D part les jeunes adorent les fruits. Fruits है, plural है, S लगा है. And the next is il n'aime pas la pizza. Pizza is again pizza only and it is feminine. And the last part of this question is elle n'aime pas les œufs. Les œufs is eggs. And A dash escargot, again it is S, that is snail. So they are plural, so we have placed LES. Elle n'aime pas les œufs, les escargots. Okay, now in question number 4 you have to fill these two together. आपको एक साथ भरने हैं ये दोनों चीजें. Article definite or partitive. Now you are going to identify. You people can raise your hand to give the answer if you want. See to it in question number 4 that where you will be filling partitive article and where you will be filling definite article. Partitive article हम कब fill करते हैं जब जो quantity है that is unknown and unprecise, and we use article definite when the quantity is precise, and few verbs we are using aimer, detester, adore and prefer. 4 verbs we are using. Let us check. Read the first sentence. J'aime dash beyond, alors je mange dash beyond. Okay, now aimer verb hai. Aimer verb is used with first of all article definite. Next thing, I love beyond, that is precise. Okay, it is sure that I love beyond. And je mange dash beyond, I am eating chicken. So whenever any of the person eats chicken, he or she might not be counting that how much chicken, how many grams of chicken she or he has eaten, right? So tell me what which article will be filled in first blank and which article will be filled in second blank. Yes, Ashvi, unmute. Yes, just mute the other device. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
is it okay
Ashvi.
now?
Yes, it is okay.
Ma'am, is it okay now?
Yes, Kashvi, please give the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in first blank we will write due, and in second blank we will write late.
No, I have just tell that je aime, I love. बेटा ए में वर्ब जो है वो आर्टिकल डेफिनी के साथ यूज होती है और इट इज precise that I love chicken and
Ma'am, can I give answer?
Yes, Ridhima.
Ma'am, je aime love
Beyond,
ma'am,
that's
love
good. Beyond this chicken.
and
Second.
next
Riddhima?
De la.
The la, because again it is feminine. Feminine के साथ हम the la use करते हैं, and it is written I eat the chicken. But whenever you are eating, you are not counting. So ये unprecise है, uncountable है. Okay, so that's why I've used article partitive here. It will be the la. And beyond this again same, that is chicken. B part says, tu ne prefer dash of, no, je prefer dash poulet. Now again, tu ne prefer lays off, you don't eat eggs, lays off eggs. And in the second one also, no, je préfère le poulet. Again, it is your article défini only. Le poulet is your meat. Poulet is your chicken, sorry. Here we are only talking about what we prefer. Okay, so इसमें imprecise quantity कुछ भी नहीं है. This is precise that I don't eat eggs, I eat chicken. Now the C part says dash chocolat est bon. So it will be le chocolat, that is chocolate. This chocolate is good. Je mange dash chocolat, je mange du chocolat. Now why I am writing here du? Because whenever I am eating chocolate, I am not counting that how many cubes I am eating. I have a big chocolate. अगर आपके पास कोई बैठा है, या if somebody is sitting in front of you, if it is your mother, your father, your brother, whosoever it is, you just will tell that I have eaten chocolate. Will you say I have eaten, Mama, I have eaten one dairy milk chocolate which was of 10 rupees. कोई ऐसे नहीं बोलता है ना. I have eaten a chocolate which is of 25 rupees. I have eaten chocolate 5-star which comes for 10 rupees. No. Whatever you eat, you are not counting. Okay? And whatever it is written that I love this, I eat this, I love this, I prefer this, I adore this. So with that you are going to use article défini because that is sure. B part, il n'y a pas dash water dans la frigo. There is no water. Now, il n'y a pas, this is in negation. There is no water in the fridge. So you will be writing D apostrophe here. Il n'y a pas dans la frigo because the sentence is in negative. Is water. Next is E part. You prefer dash the ou dash cafe. You prefer le the, that is tea, ou le cafe, that is coffee. You prefer tea or coffee. Here we are not asking that you drink coffee, you prefer it, or you are drinking coffee. It's the talk about preference. Okay. F part, j'adore. Again, adore verb hai, aimer verb hai, prefer verb hai. You can see wherever these verbs are used, there we have used article défini. So in F part also, je préfère le riz, I prefer rice, and je mange dash riz ou déjeuner, and je mange du riz ou déjeuner. I eat rice in the lunch. So here you are not counting how much of rice you are eating in the lunch. So we have placed article partitive here. Clear, everyone? D and H part I'm writing here above. No, elle ne prend pas des légumes. Des légumes means vegetable. She is not taking vegetable. You cannot say that she is not taking 1 kg of vegetables. She is not taking vegetables. That's it. And car elle aime les croissants because she loves the croissant is a kind of patty, you can say, as we have in India. It's kind of patty which is filled with different veggies. Okay, that is a French dish. Croissant is only called as croissant. So L ne prompt pa des légumes car aime les croissants, because it is defined, it is precised that she loved croissants. Next, vous prenez dash soup ou dash potage. Soup is only the soup and potage is also the soup, but it's a different kind of soup. You can say the soup with noodles. Noodle wale soup ko hum kehte hain. So again, it is de la soup, and again, it will be du potage. Soup is feminine and potage is masculine. Both are called as soup. So this is what we are going to do in today's class.